I'll start with if you can tell us about yourself and how you got started in the fragrance business.
I actually started getting into fragrances itself, siguro 2016. I think I was looking for vanilla fragrances. So I love vanilla. I love gourmands. I used to be kind of the gourmet queen when I first joined the frag community. That search led me to Tihota, Indol Tihota, and Guerlain Shalimar, and Chanel Coromandel. I'm not sure exactly how it went, but somebody led me to Frag Revolution PH, the Facebook group, and everything went uphill or downhill. Downhill for my wallet, but uphill for my fragrance journey from there. Like, I learned so much about uh, perfumes and fragrances. I learned a lot about the terms, fougere, chypre, yung mga ganyan na the average person won't know about. And I smelled and sniffed and got to experience a lot of perfumes because of that. And how do you say this? I have an affinity, a penchant for making things. At the time of my joining the frag community, I made friends with a few people who were starting up. One of them was Alex. He was starting up fragrance line.
Right.
It sadly did not push through yet, but it was an idea na ang ganda nung concept na magkaroon ka ng fragrance line mo where everything is conceptualized by you, and it's your own creations. Fast forward to the pandemic 2020, and my life kind of got down, and I was at the bottomest lowest point in my life. And then I don't know what made me look into trying out making my own scents, kasi why not?
Mhm.
My nose is pretty okay. I can pick up notes, I can pick up scents, I can remember stuff. It's just a little game. uh yeah, I got some cheap essential oils, vanilla, sandalwood. At the time, what I made wasn't even bad. Yun yung start niya. And then I started buying more, looking into higher quality oils. I started getting into aroma chemicals, and now I'm trying to do perfumery the right way, the longer way, which
Yeah.
is studying the individual notes,
Yeah.
and then evaluating again and again after how long.
Mm-mm.
So I'm going through that right now. Kasi I took a shortcut eh. I jumped to the end.
Right.
So now I actually want to learn that. So yun.
What was the transition from being a frag head to going into perfumery talaga? Like, how was that journey like for you?
The transition was pretty funny kasi I was actually just working in the living room of my parents' house. I would sit in the sofa, and then my small box of materials would be in the coffee table. I would get uh a form the notes from Fragrantica, and I would pick out what I had, and I
Right.
would just like, okay, I don't have that, so what can I replace? I can't replace it. I'm gonna skip it. So yeah, I did that, and up until now, I kind of do that. Like, if there's a fragrance that I want and an idea that I want, I haven't smelled it yet, but I like the idea, so I try that. And even before union transition actually.
So it was really like reading or learning about the fragrances that you've smelled or maybe not smelled but you're interested in, and then going into the individual notes that go into it and learning about those notes.
Yes.
Kasi here in the Philippines, it's not as common to go into perfumery, di ba? Like the actual creation process. So, ano yung mga naging parang things that were hard for you to do to get to that point in terms of learning the individual notes?
I guess the hardest part was finding good ingredients, finding good materials.
Mm-mm.
Kasi syempre, even before I got into before I joined your course, even before I joined other courses online, I figured out that because of the frag community na certain notes, almost all notes only have a certain DNA that will make you say, ah, yes, this is vanilla. Ah, yes, this is rose. But they are not concrete. They
Yeah.
do not have a specific formula na this is made up of A, B, C, D, E. This is
Yeah.
vanilla. It doesn't work that way. A vanilla note can smell different from perfume to perfume.
Mm.
And a vanilla note can be made differently and
Mm.
so that they smell differently. Like
Mm.
it could be dry, it could be smoky, it could be synthetic, it could be natural. And um the hard part at the time was because I wanted to smell the notes as they are individually. I
Right.
wanted to be able to identify na I knew what a rose smelled like, but I wasn't sure exactly how lavender should smell like. Like, my question talaga at the time was, tama ba to?
Right,
Parang,
right.
ito ba talaga yung amoy niya?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
even with vanilla, it was just relatively recently that I got vanillin.
Mm.
So, doon ko lang
So
na ano na,
different, no?
it's so different.
Yeah.
And I've had vanilla absolute for a while and it smells wonderful. But it's very different. And yun yung struggle before. And I even got a perfumery kit, the
Mm.
beginners introduction to
Mm.
perfumery kit yata sa Perfumer's Apprentice.
Yeah, yeah.
Was so excited for that, only to find out they were almost all aroma chemicals and my nose
Yeah.
was not ready for it. I was not ready for it at all. And I was like, hindi mabango. Hindi ko
Yeah,
get.
yeah. Bakit
Yeah,
nila
and
gusto to? Bakit to nilalagay?
yes,
Yeah,
bakit
yeah.
nandito to? Parang like, where's the rose? Bakit rose
Yeah,
oxide yung nandito? Bakit hindi ko masyado maamoy yung vanillin?
right.
That was very important din at the time. I was like, I can barely smell vanilla.
Mm.
I don't understand why. A lot of other things na I could barely smell. Dun sa kit na yon.
Yes, yes.
It was very interesting kasi I was like, I figured I knew na certain smells like musks do not come easily to the nose of most people. And I found I was one of them and I was like, and yun, it was a challenge talaga na you can't even smell them. How are you gonna use
Mm.
them?
Exactly, exactly.
Diba?
Actually, when I studied perfumery, I struggled a lot with the masks. I struggled a lot with it. And then parang you just have to keep on smelling it so that it comes to you eventually. So parang training the nose really is a part of the journey.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that's so true. That's
Oo.
so true. You really have to smell things.
Yeah. At saka like a lot of people think na okay, this is what it smells like. At least I know what it smells like already. Sa akin, hindi siya dapat mag-stop doon. You have to really understand, okay, if I mix it with this, how does it react? You have to memorize things also. You have to really hone your olfactive memory. Because a lot of people go into perfumery thinking, okay, now that I know what this smells like, amoy ako ng mga designer fragrances. I know what it has already. Pero parang sometimes hindi. Sometimes there are things that are combined together to make it smell like something else. So,
Yes. Yeah.
'di ba? No, how was the transition naman from learning perfumery going into MERN? So, it's MVRN or MURN?
MVRN,
RN.
but we call it MERN. Like,
Oh,
I think it was because, Bulgari,
right.
yung kanila.
Yeah, yeah.
And it was something like that. And I was like, but it's fun to call it MERN.
Well, you're
So yes,
Marine,
it's
'di ba?
MERN.
'Di ba it's from your name, right?
Yes, Mavrine.
Mavrine, okay. So
Yes.
how did that transition from, tinkering with different materials and then going into, okay, let's launch fragrances?
Bakit nga ba?
Because I remember
Kasi,
before you were saying that you just wanted to do decants. 'Di ba?
I did cans, oo.
Oh,
I made some nice stuff kasi I made Poseidon and Dulcis specifically. And Mern still has Poseidon, and that was one of my very first creations. And it works. It's simple. It's very simple. Dulcis, it's the cotton candy woody thing in the collection. It's very popular kasi it's unisex. It's as
mm,
unisex as it can get, and it's just nice. It's pleasant. I sometimes wear it and say, "Hmm, I did a good job with this." I think
nice.
my family was saying, "You can actually sell this, and they're really good." And I was like, I was thinking that now maybe this could be a business because it's your hobby, and
Mm,
it's always a nice thought na to make your hobby into your business, make your hobby into your passion, monetize your passion basically.
pang
Um,
fund.
ang fun, so that I can buy more materials, I can learn more things. I just agreed to it in the sense na my mind agreed to it. I didn't agree with them. I mean, no, ako pa rin naman yung nag-start. My mind agreed to the idea na, yeah, maybe you can sell it. I'm a bit of a designer snob, admittedly. Even as a fraghead, I like unique scents.
Mm,
Find that a lot, hindi all, not all naman, but a lot of designer scents are too just pleasing.
mm, mm,
And that's nice. It's pleasing. It smells good. Yes, it's
mm.
just that I have a penchant for unique things, an inkling towards something that is uncommon.
Right,
So
right.
yeah, the chocolate and sampaguita.
Yeah. Actually, the
Um,
Tejota is already a sign.
yeah.
Yeah,
Tihota, Coromandel, and
yeah,
Chanel.
yeah.
Ay, Coromandel and Shalimar.
Halimar, yeah.
I made things that were different. Ayun, we started looking into packaging, ganyan-ganyan. Only very, very, very small, like Shopee small,
Mm-mm.
na a few bottles at a time. I made 1 liter of each of the six that I initially made. Tapos, pinatest ko siya with my closest circle, and the reviews were very positive. In fact, there was 7 or 8, and then I cut down the other two kasi alanganin. So,
Mm-mm.
best of the set was the 6, and we launched that. And then there's Ambrosia. It used to be the best seller from the start kasi it's so unique. Kasi it smells like latik, like Biko.
Right, right.
Biko with sampagita, and it kind of brings you back to a time sa probinsya where you're eating biko or you're eating sticky rice, and ganun yung effect niya, and a lot of people like that. Uh, I think I maxed out all the people who wanted that though. Sometimes I still have questions naman kasi na-sold out din kami sa Ambrosia. Like we restocked a few times. Siguro at least 4 times for the first year. So
Mm.
1 liter each, and nauubos siya. So it was great. Gelato became the focus of Mern.
Ooh,
Kasi gelato is an ice cream scent.
right.
It's cold ice cream, and it's very lactonic with the heat, and people loved it. Like I'm on my third restock, and it's just been a few months, and hindi siya third. I'm on my fourth restock, and I have a wait list.
Nice.
I I
Good
posted
problems.
good problems, really
Yeah.
good problems. It's amazing kasi I have now found out na we are being mentioned in Reddit.
Mm.
You're being
Nice.
mentioned in Reddit, and then people say, no, we have good gourmands. And I'm like, what about my second collection? That's funny kasi the second collection is called Undaunted. And that's what it is. It's brave. It's not something everyone wants. There's something there that's kind of a fruity, red berry, rosy oud. So you already get na it's not gonna be popular. I have a chocolate mango note with a bit of
Ooh,
florals underneath. Also not popular kasi nga it's a bit too weird.
right, right. Not
Um,
weird, but it's not common.
it's not common. It's not
Yeah.
common at all. Even the most pleasant one is a bit of a floral na powdery na iris.
Hmm.
It did not like sell very well, and hindi talaga sila napansin, and now we are kind of being seen as a gourmand brand
Because of the latest collection. I think it's also
because
because
of
of
the
the
latest
trend.
collection.
It's also part of the
Uh,
trend kasi, 'di ba?
yeah,
Really,
yeah.
gourmands like made a big impact for 2023 and it's still
Mm.
going for 2024. Which among your creations would be your parang favorite or most memorable?
Mahirap mamili dun sa tatlo na pinaka kilala. Okay, number one, Dulces, because I actually like Dulces. I sometimes wear Dulces. And one little secret na I am going to divulge is that despite the fact that I made my perfumes, I cannot wear them all. I don't want them on me.
Hmm.
I like smelling them on others when I spray them, when I evaluate them for checking. I love it, but it's not for me. Like Forte is not for me. Poseidon is not for me. But Dulces I like. Ambrosia naman, I love it because it's for me it's something that made unique and made me as a perfumer stand out as a starter. Even at least in the local fragrance niche group. I'm proud of Ambrosia. I'm proud na I could think of something like that. Na it's what I like in the sense na it's unique, but it has a story behind it. Gelato though, I'm really I'm really happy with gelato. Not only because it's selling very well, but because I really love milk scents. It's the main reason why I've been hunting down a good milk note, a good milk component,
Hmm.
and now a good milk accord. Can't find any. For a very long time na sabi ko talaga, I need a good milk scent. And I bought all the milk scents na I could get my hands into and added vanilla, added a hint of tobacco, and there goes gelato. And I was really happy with it. Before launch, I was like, I think I have a seller. I think I have a seller. I did. Kasi I can say na it's not the same milk notes you smell
Hmm.
on other milk perfumes.
Do you get the inspiration in terms of like what your next creation will be?
Random pieces of conversation, and I would like, wait a minute, that will work. Wait. White chocolate and jasmine and tuberose and maybe a bit of lemon there and maybe a little bit of musk. Not lira, but something like that. It didn't work. I couldn't make it work. But sometimes ganun siya. And
Yeah.
then there are times na I receive a new component and I want
Mm.
to work around that component. So I build things around it. Um, Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I guess that's one of the points of
Yeah.
perfume. Really, like
That's how
it's
you learn anyway, 'di ba?
yes.
Are there times when, let's say, okay, your mom will say, uy, gawin mo naman ako ng perfume.
No, she has too much stuff to try on.
Or kahit yung sister mo na parang, okay, what would you make for me? Or does it really depend on you? Like, kung ano feel mo, kung ano yung meron ka sa palette mo.
Yes, it's mostly me kasi they have stuff that they like
Mm.
and they don't know what they like. They don't know what they like until they've smelled it and they're like, I like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
I
like this.
I think that's a common problem with a lot of consumers. When you
Yeah,
ask
yeah,
them, okay, what kind of scent do you like? Tapos sasabihin lang nila ano yung mga nagamit na nila that they like.
yes, exactly. And that's funny kasi sometimes yeah, they say they don't like my mom doesn't like this note. Hindi niya gusto. I just tweak it a little bit and she likes it now. In that perfume, yung they know what they like eh. Kasi when they smell it, they know, but they can't identify it. Yun.
Yeah.
They can't
I think it's
identify
ano,
it.
I think it's part of the parang not being able to verbalize what they
Yes.
like, 'di ba? How long
Yun.
did it take you to develop the gelato scent?
I've been developing a milk scent that ended up being gelato for like 2 years.
Wow. I'm glad you didn't give up on it.
Makulit ako eh. Matigas yung ulo ko na every time I get, even up to now, every time I get a new milk-like lactonic component, I give it another go. I,
Nice.
I don't know why. Makulit talaga ako.
You're so
Um,
persistent kasi sometimes ako parang okay, it's not going the way I want it. Diyan ka muna. Tsaka na lang kita babalikan.
yeah, same. I do that. It's just that makulit and persistent
Right.
and I really want it, I guess. I think one reason why the gourmands are selling is because I like gourmands.
Right.
So my passion for gourmands end up coming out and they're the good ones.
I'm so happy kasi back when we were when you were joining the class pa lang 2021, right? Or 2020. Pandemic pa eh, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Tapos parang you mentioned nga na, oh, I don't know yet what direction I want to take. But really, your goal before was just to do decants. Tapos nagulat ako, oh, you're doing your own thing na, yay! Ganyan. Tapos parang now you're being mentioned nga in Facebook groups, in Reddit. So like, ngayon, yung tanong ko is, like, which aspect of sales do you find the most effective for you? Like, saang platforms ka nakikita talaga?
We're still trying to figure out how they find out about us, but I think it's Facebook and then Shopee.
Mm,
Kasi there are a few people who message us asking where can they buy our products and we direct them to Shopee. And you don't see kasi nga we don't see the conversion itself kasi sometimes they don't use their names.
right,
You can't see.
right,
So
right.
we kind of don't know. However, we're pretty sure it's not IG, with the
Mm.
exception of a few international inquiries. International inquiries come from IG.
Do you do bazaars also? Do you join bazaars? Do you do trunk shows?
We want to. The problem is kasi no one can ban it kasi we don't have time.
Ah, okay. Do you have
Right.
other things going on aside from Mern?
Ako personally, I'm back in school.
Right,
Yeah. I went back to finish cosmetic science. Well, I went back to finish college and started cosmetic science. Para, aligned siya. So,
right.
when I pursue perfumery, I have a proper background. Yun, that makes it difficult. And my sister then has full-time job.
Who is your muse or who buys Mern fragrances?
We notice na these days, recently, mostly kasi nga, the most recent collection is a gourmand. A lot of women buy
Mm,
Mern. And they usually buy gelato, dulces, shuki yung isa. Yun yung market namin. We have noticed na we found our market and It's them, the gourmand lovers, the ones who are looking to smell unique, pero
Mm-mm.
gourmand, pero sweet, but different.
What are your plans in terms of like timelines?
Hopefully, once we get funding and the FDA permit as well, we can consign with a few stores like Frankie General Store,
Mm,
something like that,
mm,
or and a few stores, and I could hire someone to join bazaars. Kasi one of the reasons actually why we can't join bazaars is I don't have a steady supply.
mm,
Kasi I make them on my own. I do almost everything. I do the compounding, the bottling, the packaging, the the packing of orders, everything. And I'm in school. It's a bit heavy.
mm,
So imagine if I have to bottle a total of 20, at least 20 each fragrance. It's a
right.
lot of work and I just can't afford the time. But
Ang daming ano, ang
anyways,
dami mo pang pwedeng gawin.
yeah.
Dami-dami pa.
Moving forward, I'm making accords on my own now. I'm very happy with that. I'm very proud about it. Parang feeling ko I'm moving a bit of a step forward into being an actual perfumer. Kahit
Yay!
one small step, I'm happy about it. I'm no longer buying single notes from suppliers.
Mm,
So all of my most recent creations, ako na yung gumagawa from aroma chemicals and essential oils and naturals. Kasi before I would buy single notes from suppliers. So a milk note, a strawberry note, ganyan.
mm,
I would buy from them and I would blend. I would make
mm,
but the accords themselves I can't the single note accords themselves I can't make. I
mm.
didn't know how to make. That's my focus right now in R&D department. So I managed to make my own cotton candy note.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. I tweaked an animalic musk note. I like animalics, so had to have that. And then I accidentally made a macaroon note, which I
Oh.
don't know if I want or not because it's coconutty.
Yeah,
Uh, it's a bit hard to use coconut in perfumes kasi amoy lana siya.
yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
so it's a bit difficult. Uh, yeah, so now that I have a white chocolate notes, I'm trying to incorporate it in a lot of things that I'm making.
Iba no, yung parang the satisfaction of having someone smells na like pag gumawa ka ng perfume and then actually hindi nga lang perfume if you make a candle, whatever product you're making and you're the one who actually formulated it. Iba yung satisfaction in, getting feedback na, oh, I really like this. 'Di ba? Kasi
Oh,
parang it's something
God.
that you yourself made.
Yeah, yeah. Not hilariously, funnily enough, I have a story kanina na I wore a prototype. It's called Circus. It's a cotton candy na not that sweet, hint of smoke, and I really love it. My sister doesn't like it because she doesn't get it now. But my mom was like, it's nice. My brother said it's nice. So I was like, I really like this. I'm gonna look for people who can test it. I don't know who, but I'm gonna ask around. And I wore it kanina kasi I just wanted it. And I was like, um, I wanted to test it. Two of my classmates smelled it and they loved it. They were like, Mommy Claire, ang bango mo. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God, really? Sabi nila, yes. They said this on two different times of the day. Hindi sila magkasabay. And that made me really happy. Kasi sabi ko, oh my God, gawa ko to. Sabi nila, no way. This time, napansin yung gawa ko. And sabi nila, parang parang same type nung last time. It's different. Pero mabango din. And I told her, do you want to be a beta tester? I could give you I could give you product and you just tell me, give me feedback.
Feedback,
Sabi
oo.
nila, yes! So now I have two beta testers.
Parang yun yata yung maganda for you na you're in school, no? meron ka ng set of um testers talaga.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually, it's pretty nice na actually nagulat ako. It wasn't my intention. I was in fact thinking of how I can approach a few people kasi I know some people are into fragrances din. And I was still thinking, paano ko ba sila ma-approach? Maybe it's too much work kasi syempre, I'm gonna keep asking them. Um, it's kind of it's kind of an obligation a little bit kasi while it's not extensive naman, I just want their feedback. I will be asking their feedback. So I don't know how to bring it up. And then this they gave me a way to start it and like damn.
That means
Yeah,
it's really good kung, 'di ba, napansin. Kasi sometimes the problem with a lot of fragrances, we like it, but then walang sentro, walang projection, 'di ba? So,
yes.
that you're going in the right direction. That's what it means.
Yeah, yeah.
Galing, ang galing. Nakakatuwa your journey so far. And I'm really excited for, what's more to come. Especially because you're studying cosmetic science and all that. So, ang dami mo pang magagawa, I'm sure. Ang dami mo pang magagawa. Yan. And before we end, where do we find Mern fragrances?
It's MVRN Parfums. That's the same with Facebook and Shopee and IG. So MVRN Parfums. I want Mern to be known as a brand who makes unique things and gourmands.
Gourmand for now.
Gourmand for now.
Sige. Thank you so much, Claire.
Sure,
Thank you,
anytime.
thank you.